Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to turn on notifications for social channel messages on the Instagram app on your PC using the latest update. If you've been missing important updates or messages from your social channels, don't worry, this quick setup will make sure you stay notified in real time. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the three-line menu icon there. Click on it to open the side menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account, including notifications. Inside the settings page, scroll until you see the notifications option, then click on it. This section allows you to manage what alerts you receive and how you receive them. Now, within notifications, locate and click on Push Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you customize alerts for different types of activity. Scroll through the list until you find Social Channel Messages. This is the setting specifically responsible for notifying you when you receive messages from your social channels. Under that option, simply select On. Once you do this, notifications for social channel messages will be enabled immediately.